Hello friends, is your car showing check engine code P0453? Scene 2, Symptoms and Introduction. If your check engine light is on, you're having trouble refueling or noticing a strong fuel smell, then this code could be the problem. In this video I'll explain what P0453 means, symptoms, sensor locations and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0453 code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Pressure Sensor High Input. Your car's Evaporative Emission Control EVAP system is designed to capture and store fuel vapors before they escape into the atmosphere. The Fuel Tank Pressure Sensor, FTPS, is responsible for monitoring vapor pressure inside the fuel tank. If the sensor detects an abnormally high pressure, the ECU triggers the P0453 error code. Common symptoms of P0453. Check engine light, CL, on, difficulty refueling with the fuel nozzle shutting off frequently, strong fuel odor near the vehicle, rough idling or poor acceleration, and a failed emissions test. Ignoring this code can cause fuel system malfunctions, emissions issues, and potential pressure buildup inside the tank. To diagnose P0453, you need to locate these important EVAP system components. Fuel Tank Pressure Sensor, FTPS, located on top of the fuel tank or inside the fuel pump assembly. EVAP Purge Valve, Purge Solenoid, found near the engine intake manifold controlling vapor flow to the engine. EVAP Vent Valve, Vent Solenoid, located near the charcoal canister close to the fuel tank regulating pressure release. Charcoal canister positioned under the rear of the car close to the fuel tank storing fuel vapors, and EVAP hoses and wiring running between the fuel tank, ECU, and EVAP components. Check your vehicle's service manual for exact sensor locations specific to your car model. Common causes of P0453. Faulty fuel tank pressure sensor. A defective sensor sends incorrect voltage readings leading to a false high-pressure signal. Blocked or damaged EVAP vent valve. A clogged or stuck closed vent valve can cause excessive pressure in the fuel tank. Wiring or connector issues. Shorted, frayed, or corroded wiring between the FTPS and ECU can cause incorrect readings. Fuel cap issues. A damaged or missing fuel cap may prevent proper pressure regulation. ECU malfunction, rare case. The ECU might misinterpret sensor signals, triggering a false error. How to fix P0453. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm P0453 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Locate the fuel tank pressure sensor, which is on or inside the fuel tank. Step 3. Inspect the sensor's wiring and connectors for damage, loose connections, or corrosion. Step 4. Use a multimeter to test the fuel tank pressure sensor. If the voltage is out of range, replace it. Step 5. Check the EVAP vent valve and purge solenoid for proper operation. Step 6. Inspect the fuel cap for cracks or missing seals. If it's damaged, replace it. Step 7. Clear the code using an OBD scanner and test drive the car to see if the issue is resolved. The P0453 code is usually caused by a faulty fuel tank pressure sensor, a blocked EVAP vent valve or wiring problems. Fixing it ensures proper fuel system operation, prevents emissions failures, and keeps your car running efficiently. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0188, Fuel Temperature Sensor B Circuit, High P0189, Fuel Temperature Sensor B Circuit Intermittent. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.